Today, I'm going to show you the exact prompt I used to create an insane landing page with a creative WebGL background in the hero section using Gemini 3.1. And this is not just another gradient or random particle animation. We're going to build something cinematic, something eye-catching, something that feels premium and that we don't usually see everywhere. For this demo, I will be using Aura.build because it lets us iterate fast and test ideas visually without breaking the layout. Now, before jumping into the prompt, let's talk about mindset. Most people ask AI to create a SaaS landing page with headline and CTA. And yes, Gemini 3.1 can already give you something clean with that. But the real difference happens when you think in layer, structure, depth, motion, atmosphere. The hero is not just a header, it's a stage. So the layout would stay clean and intentional. On the left, strong typography with control line width. Clear hierarchy, nice spacing. On the right, maybe a floating glass UI card or product mockup. But the real magic will be behind everything, the WebGL background. So I'm going to prompt on the left side here. Now let's talk about the prompt direction. Instead of saying add animated background, we define behavior, we define lighting, we define depth. We're going to create a volumetric light tunnel made of ultra thin, glowing ribbon bending in 3D space, something between a gravitational field and liquid aurora wave. Not neon, cow, not gaming vibe, premium minimal cinematic. Deep new black base, iridescent light strand flowing diagonally, soft volumetric fog layer with parallax, subtle camera drift reacting slightly to scroll, fine particle dust with micro motion. And very important, do not modify layout, typography, spacing, or UI component. Only inject the WebGL canvas inside the hero container. So I passed the prompt already, so I'm going to generate. The model is Gemini 3.1 Pro. All right. Now you will notice immediately the depth, the layer fog, the soft glow. The motion feels alive but calm. It enhances the hero instead of lighting it. And that's the difference between cool effect and real design direction. Now let's refine it. I will reduce the saturation slightly, increase softness of the bloom. Slow down the motion by maybe 20%. Add a faint distant grid, barely visible. Introduce a subtle light source from the top left so the UI card gets soft edge highlight. This is where prompting becomes art direction. You're not just generating, you are directing. So I'm going to generate it. And this is why I really like Gemini 3.1 for this. Even with a simple prompt, it understands the mood. It understands lighting, it understands depth. You don't need to write something crazy long. The important thing is not the effect, it's the balance. Your layout stay clean, your headline stay readable, your button stay clear. The background just add feeling, it add atmosphere. That's it. You don't want the animation to scream. You want it to support the design. If your hero is strong and your background is controlled, the whole page immediately feel more premium. So the workflow is simple. Define structure, define atmosphere, define behavior, generate, refine, polish. Think in layer, not section. So if you want the full prompt, it's in the description. Test it, tweak it, change the lighting, change the motion, speed, adjust the color, temperature. You will see how much the mood change. Alright, that's it for today. In the next video, we will push this even further and maybe extend the same cinematic logic across the entire multi-section landing page. See you in the next one.